This is gonna be hilarious. Wow, that's a lot of hair. The hope is that this DIY haircut will actually be super cute and easy and fun. I've only done my own haircut once before, and this time I'm going to try a new technique. The idea behind it is you pull it back, see how long that hair is, so it'll just naturally create this like A-frame. That's the idea. To be able to cut your own hair and have it come out all right, or even decent, it's kind of exciting. Save a lot of money, have some fun. It's just hair.
Here we go.
This will either be a hair tutorial or a
warning story.
Parted in the middle-ish, smooth, straight back, not doing any like crazy wave. Oh my gosh, I don't know how short I want to do it. It keeps falling out. Really not good scissors. This is gonna be hilarious, guys. Over here. Okay, I'm cutting. No idea. How's it going? Super slow cutting here. Oh my god, like taking forever. Oh, my arms are getting tired. Okay. How do we do? Wow, that's a lot of hair. So now I'm gonna take it off. All right. I don't know how it looks in the back. It's exactly the same in the front because really didn't cut off any length here. I may trim that up a little. Oh gosh, I don't think that came out very good in the back. I can feel it. That's not bad. Maybe I could like trim this up here. Trim it up, trim it up. Just trimming it up here. Sure, sure. Okay, okay. What do we think? I'm like becoming the queen of the 5-minute DIY cut. I'm done. I need to get a proper mirror. What do we think? Choppy. I like it. In a pinch, guys, the ponytail bob actually works. Try it. Why not? For a super fast, unprofessional DIY haircut, totally works. Have you tried cutting your hair yet? Give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. I do hair colors every couple of months. I've done bangs and hair cutting. Thanks for watching. Bye.